Today on Isabella's Quick Recipes, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this sticky, succulent, and oh so divine rosemary fig glazed chicken. I threw some cranberries in there because 'tis the season. This recipe is quick enough for any weeknight dinner or even your Thanksgiving turkey. I'm using chicken thighs today, but use whichever cut you please. Season it well with some salt and pepper and some rosemary. Add it to a hot oiled pan just to sear the chicken up and give it that yummy brown crust. Remove the chicken from the pan once it's ready, and you're gonna add a clove of crushed garlic, some fig preserves, and a half a cup of balsamic. Simmer this for a few minutes to get that nice, rich, beautiful balsamic glaze. You're gonna add all that chicken back into your pan, and I have here some fresh cranberries that I threw into the freezer from my last video, so I just went ahead and added that as well. Smother everything in that rich, thick glaze, and this is gonna go bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This chicken is so rich, tart, and tangy, it just pulls right apart with your fork. And if you love the flavors of Thanksgiving, serve this with some mashed potatoes and you will be in heaven. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. I post new videos weekly, all of them always with a unique twist.